I didn't get into dentistry to restore teeth. I got into to change lives. I'm Dr. Pinkhasov, and I've placed thousands of dental implants. I've seen what happens when the treatment is done right, and I've seen what happens when it's not. When it's not, patients end up back in the chair with a problem that costs more to fix than it would have cost to do it correctly the first time. That is not acceptable to me. Every case at Naples Dental and Wellness Center is planned by me, performed by me, and followed up by me. There are no outside labs, no third-party surgical fees, no handoffs. I also believe strongly that this treatment shouldn't be a luxury. Being able to eat foods you love, to smile with confidence, to speak without embarrassment, these are essential human experiences. That's why our pricing is built to make this accessible without ever compromising on the quality of what goes in your treatment. Schedule your free consultation at Naples Dental and Wellness Center today. Let's discuss what's possible for you.